Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do PayPal transfer. Okay, so meaning that you have a PayPal account and then you want to send money to another user or customer, okay, or freelancer who also has a PayPal account. Okay, so that's what PayPal to PayPal money transfer. Okay, right. So in case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe because these are the kind of videos we make on these channels. Okay, so when you go to our channel, we've made videos on how to create a PayPal account, Payoneer account, how to link Payoneer account to PayPal account, how to verify and get receiving Payoneer accounts too. Okay, so in case you want to see more of these videos or you want to watch these videos, just go to our videos tab and then get into the video and watch them. Okay, but this video is about sending money from your PayPal account to another PayPal account. Right, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So first things first, you need to be logged into your PayPal account. Okay, so in case you have a verified PayPal account, just log into that PayPal account. After logging into your PayPal account, so you notice that this is my PayPal account. Okay, right, so after logging into your PayPal account, this is your new dashboard. Okay, so for the new dashboard, just go to pay and get paid. Okay, so you can notice that we have wallet, invoice, and make payments, and accept payments. We are not accepting payments, we are making payments. Okay, or sending money or sending payments. Okay, so just click on send payments. So once you click on send payments, so once you click on the send payments, you'll be brought to this tab. Okay, so once you get to this point, all you have to do is to just insert the name, the username, the email or mobile number you want to send the money to. Note that the person you are sending to must have also have a verified PayPal account. And in case you want to know how to create a verified PayPal account, as I initially stated over here, you could just watch this video on how to create a verified PayPal account. So let's proceed. So all you have to do is just insert the email address or name or username or mobile for the person you are trying to send the money to. I would advise you to use an email address. Okay, so just insert the email address over here. So in case the person has a verified PayPal account, once you insert the email address, the email address will pop up over here. Now, in case you don't even know their email address, and you just try inserting something. Okay, numerous email addresses will just pop up. Okay, just like that. Okay, you see numerous email addresses popping up just like here. Okay, just like this. Okay, or you just try to enter a name. Okay, name of the person you are trying to send to. You could notice that I just inserted or just typed Bright, and you could notice that people with PayPal accounts with the name Bright just popped up. Okay, you can also use that method to search for the person you are trying to send to. Okay, you can also use an email. Okay, right. So once you use the email, you could notice that the person's email just popped up. So once that appears, you just click on it, and then you will be brought to this page. Okay, so once you are brought to this page, you just insert the amount you want to send to that person. Okay, so let's say I want to send an amount of $3. Okay, I want to send an amount of $3. I just insert $3 over here. That's in USD. Now you can actually enter the reason why you are sending the money to the person. So once you click on here, you can input a text. Okay, so maybe for your maybe logo design for holidays, for birthday or whatever. Okay, you can just insert that over here. It's optional. Okay, so you can either do that or not. After that, just click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, you'll be brought to this page. Okay, once you are brought to this page, and then you see this, okay, goods and services payments. Okay, and then you be brought to, you scroll down, you see what you are sending with PayPal balance of $3, and then you pay $3. You notice that there is no fee because it's PayPal to PayPal transfer. Okay, Once you get to this point, just click on what? Send payments now. So once you click on send payments now, the money will directly send to the person you are trying to send the money to. Okay. Since I don't want to send any money to anybody right now, I'll just end the video over here. Okay. Right. So in case you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on what future video. Like the video and share to your friends who might find this video helpful. So in our next video, I will show you how to do Payoneer to Payoneer what money transfer and other related videos. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.